Going back to our qualitative marketing research, how does the introduction of PowerShot SX420 IS camera in the school curricula of digital photography students reflect in students' career success? And how does it behave in comparison with Nikon B500? So why is it important to understand the metrics and measurement of that data to take action in our situation? Whether we introduce the Canon PowerShot in school curricula is going to bring long-term value in the career of digital photography students, and how to generate page views and event tracking such as clicks, buttons, or strolls to determine the efficiency of Canon and Nikon camera in digital camera marketing class and student development. First of all, let's look into how to set up a hypothesis, which is the effect of purchasing a Canon PowerShot camera during college years, and how will that reflect in the graduate behavior. When talking about segmentation and demographics, we will have two distinct categories. We're talking about male and female, 20 to 30 years of age, students of digital photography class, and graduates who have an interest in interior design, fashion, web design, and creative graphics. The first category will tell us about what type of camera are students willing to invest in on a budget, and the secondary is a great way to find out what career direction the students have and how did the class impact their career decision. Through channels, we can find out the traffic, the way students came to the site, and the behavior leading into conversions. What we can do from a research point of view is create an e-commerce website containing different camera models, including the Canon PowerShot SX420 IS and Nikon B500, and see how our audience reacts. The students react to its feature and what camera they decide to purchase. By analyzing the bounce rate, we can determine for how long they stayed on the page, what made them leave the website, or what influenced them to buy the product. Here's where having a clear goal comes in handy to determine the successful visits on the website. An example of how we can use this Google Analytics tool is by tracking the website, Google Ads, and the campaign we previously set up. Looking at how does Google Analytics benefit our research? When talking about the behavior in Google Analytics, we think about the average amount a student spends on a landing page with particular interactions. In this situation, what cameras do students click or hover on lets us know their interest in a particular camera as well as their engagement. This metric will provide us with an overview of the user behavior to visually understand what the interactions are, such as which pages are the most popular. Conversion report is one of the most crucial tools, as it gives us the total number of students who made a decision of completing the purchase. One of my favorite reports is visualizing the funnels with a goal flow, as it allows us to analyze and make decisions based on each milestone that was achieved. And in our case, students and research campaign, the students and graduates were driven to the e-commerce website through referrals, affiliate websites, and research campaigns. And now we can see each step they are making in the completion of our goal. We can also set as a goal the time on the website or the number of page views, which will allow us to better understand the paths students take on their way to purchasing a digital camera. All in all, Google Analytics proves to be an insightful tool where when researching different types of products and end consumer behavior, as it allows us to take actions based on trends and reports. So, which in our situation, it allows us and it tells us whether we have a successful rate based on students' purchase of Canon PowerShot SX420 IS and their use during the digital photography class.